Hi, this is Kevin Conroy and
Jason Hegelke.
back at Da Vinci Arts Middle School. This is our notebook again. We've got our name on it, our grade science, our period, our teacher's name, 2016 and 17. We've written on the side our name, so it's easy to find. And we're going to open up the book now. And one of the first things we want to do is make a title page with our new unit. Your teacher will tell you what unit you're going to start with. And at the bottom you can draw a diagram related to what you think about whenever you think about your unit title. Next, what we're going to do is we are going to write the activity number and the name of the activity at the top, along with the date. You no longer need to add the page number. Mr. Hegelke paid a little extra to have that printed for you. Thank you, Mr. Hegelke.
Yeah, you're welcome.
And different parts of the activity. Your activity is going to start with the learning goal, our learning objective, and then we've got the vocabulary. The vocabulary should be highlighted. Sometimes the definition will be given to you by your teacher. Sometimes you will have to get it after the reading. But you have your vocabulary, and then you want to skip some space, and then you'll have your data table. Your data table could be something like your observations, or it could be something like this where you're writing down data. And then finally you will do your analysis questions. So skip a space, do your analysis questions. You need to answer your analysis questions in a way that you know what the question was. Why do you need to do that, Mr.
Yeah,
Hegelke?
good question. Because we could quiz you. These are your journals, but at any time we could actually give you a journal quiz. We might ask you, hey, your analysis question number 2, what were you actually trying to answer? And so you'd have to look at your analysis question without looking at the textbook, and you'd have to be able to trace that back to what the question was.
Mr. Hegelke, are all your notebook tests open notebook?
All my notebook tests are open science notebook, yes, all of them. But sometimes I won't announce it until the day of.
Ooh, how tricky. I like that too. Any pages that are given with an activity need to be glued in, such as this. Another example is sometimes you want to glue it in like this through the white space, or it will be glued in the top with an anchor tab or to the side. But you want to have everything glued in or taped in so it doesn't fall out. You should consider color coding different parts of your notebook, such as the activity number, the analysis question, the lesson reflections. The white space is located on the side of the notebook. Here's the white space, here and here. Feel free to doodle in there. If you are a doodler, you might be asked to do a what are you thinking in that space, or to draw a picture or illustration of vocabulary in that area as well. Mr. Hegelke, other thoughts?
Well, what if you lose your journal? What's going to happen?
That is a great question. If you were to lose your journal, you can get another journal. It could be any type of notebook from Walmart, Walgreens, Freddy's, you name it. All it has to do is have paper in it and a place for you to attach your data tables, your thinking, your analysis questions, so that whenever you do have that notebook test, that you have something to open and use.
And of course, the bummer is that you'll have to finish copying back at least the stuff from that unit you're learning right then and there, right? So if you're in the middle of the unit, you'd have to copy back through the beginning of that unit. All right, well, I think what do you think? That wraps it up?
That wraps it up.
All right, well.
Look forward to a great year with everybody.
All right, take care.